Alright guys and girls, we got the Enya 15.3 here. Now on the test stand, it has not been fired. Got a little gas in the tank there. I think it's worked its way up according to that bubble right there, and we're going to see if we can't get it to fire a lick. Speaking of lick, chicken stick himself, because Daddy ain't sticking his finger, at hurt finger especially, in that prop. No way today. Let's see if we can get a fire out of the Enya here. Enya 15. We'll crank it up to about 3 amps right here. Right at it. It's still in the green. If I don't hurt myself trying to flip it and hold the camera too, we'll be in business. Alright. Got about 4 turns out on it. Let's see if we can't get a little bit of fuel in there. Not overdoing it. That, now we're talking. Some fuel in there. Here we go. Pop, pop. Another little prime. Piston shut. Upstroke. I don't remember how this engine ran the last time I ran it, so I don't know what to expect, to be honest with you. It's been a while. We're getting some action, but no go. Oh. Yep. Alright, let's see now. So I can't really get to it because you can see the prop is very close to the adjustment. And I just don't know if I'm going to stick my finger in there today. So, I leaned it up a little bit, chicken stick. There we go. I know. That's big run. You get the idea. And that's 15%. Where did the thing go? There we go. 15% with 2.5 caster added. That's 2.5 ounces. And I think that is a maybe a 9/6 prop. Here we go. That's an 8-inch prop, so it's probably a 4/8. I can't see it if you can. It's on there somewhere. Duh. Thanks for watching.